take my horse to the open world. I'm gonna ride you again no more.
Do anything for clout. Alright, so I just got a package from Nugs. This is a new vegan chicken nuggets company. I don't even think this product is out yet, but they sent it to me to check it out, review it, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'll probably even make some of it later today, and you guys will be seeing this later today. So if I do, check out my Instagram because you'll be seeing what I think about it there. Yeah, I'm just trying to get into it. This is probably not the best thing to get into it with. Alright guys, open this bad boy up.
Wow, I wonder what it is.
They were like, you want to try?
Can you give me
it's a little cooler.
Can you give me the sticker?
Hang on, baby, hang on. Shh. Alright, what does that say?
It says,
well, welcome to the simulation. Okay, okay.
look, and it has a check mark.
Oh my goodness.
What is this?
You can actually see like the little code coming out here. Oh, look how cold it is. Wow, they shipped this 2 days ago. Don't touch that. Don't touch it.
Why?
Did you hurt yourself?
Yes.
Baby, you can't touch that.
Why?
That's dry ice.
That's dry ice. You can't touch that.
What is it for?
Dry ice that Mia touched. You okay? Alright, she's fine. She's good. She's all good. Oh boy. Alright. So, you trying to kill the cat? Okay. So, alright. So apparently you just preheat the oven, put this in there, 350 degrees. Good stuff, good stuff. That's so cool that I received it just in time. Nugs, and it has a little chicken. I'm not too sure about the little chicken thing on the cover. Feeding it to the chicken is like, the chicken's probably like, wait, what's going on here? Oh, it looks really good though. Oh, I can smell it through the package. It really does smell like nuggets. It looks like nuggets. I'm gonna be checking these guys out. I'm actually gonna pop a couple in the air fryer, and I'm gonna be showing you guys on Instagram what I think about them, so check them out. So check it out, and thanks Nugs for hooking a girl up. Hey, what's going on, my loves? Welcome back to another video. I'm Rose. This is my little helper for today, Mia. She was just earlier playing with some toys, and then she decided, wait, I want to make a video with you. So she got ready super quickly with the fastness, and here we are. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is flavor up our tempeh because nobody likes some unseasoned, just salt and pepper type food. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So, first we have, I don't want to call it a marinade because it's really not a marinade. There's like no oil and stuff in here. Usually whenever I do a marinade, I like to put a little oil in it, but there's no oil in here. So we're just going to do like a savory, delicious broth to let this soak in. So, did you just put gum on my shoulder? Stop being nasty. So we have 2 cups of vegetable broth already in here. I'm also going to be tossing in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Hold on, I'll let you do it. Hold on 1 second. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Depending on how salty your vegetable broth is, you might want to do more or less. You can just taste it at this point. And you do want it to be like slightly more salty than what you would like in a broth because it's just meant to soak up. Next, we're adding in our seasonings. Don't put it in yet. Hold on. We have black pepper, cumin, garlic powder, paprika, and onion powder, and that's going in. The full recipe, as usual, will be linked down below. Oh, Mia, oh my gosh, you're making a mess. All right, and wow, it smells yummy, and we're just gonna mix this all up. At this point, if you wanted to, you can add a couple drops of liquid smoke, but it's not necessary at all. So I'm actually gonna skip that part, and of course, we're gonna toss in our tempeh. We have 1 8-ounce package of tempeh that I've cut into 24 pieces, so about 1 inch thickness. Okay, so I'm gonna let this marinate for about 2 hours, and if you're impatient, you don't necessarily have to wait 2 hours. Leave it for an hour. But I personally like to leave my tempeh soaking. So I know some people might be like, oh, why don't you just do like a little marinade with a little oil and let it soak, marinate a little longer like that. But I actually like to soak my tempeh. I prefer to eat my tempeh after it's been soaked for a few hours. I don't always do it because I'm usually like in a rush and just toss things into my air fryer. But I do prefer soaking the tempeh because it actually gets rid of a little bit of that like bittery flavor that tempeh sometimes has. So anywho, I'm gonna let this marinate for a little bit and I'll be right back. So, okay. So we finished marinating this stuff and we are back with some of these guys. These spears, bow and arrow spears. Kebab sticks, right? Yes, that's exactly what it is. So we're just gonna be kebabbing these on the kebabber sticks, you know, however you feel like doing it, whatever floats your boat, whatever tickles your fancy. Oh no, that doesn't sound right. So anywho, I have some chopped sorry. We got the tempeh, I got some mushroom, I got some pepper in there. We got some more tempeh. The tempeh gets a little softer too as you soak it, so it's a little easier to get it on the stick rather than it kind of like crumbling all over the place when it's not soaked. And again, we're just gonna do this over and over and over again until our kebab is all filled up. Yes. Yes.
I was doing this.
You are. We're doing it together.
I don't not like doing it. What?
Oh? What happened? Did you drop something?
You're fast one. No.
Because I grew up making these with my mommy when I was little, but we used to make it with chicken. And in Spanish, you know what they're called?
What?
They're called... Wow, I'm drawing a blank. They're called pinchos. So we got our pincho or our kebab ready, and I'm just gonna put it aside, and I'm just gonna continue to make these with Mia. Maybe have a little chit chat, and then tell you what's up next.
The zombie stuff that they did right now.
Okay, so next step is slathering on some barbecue sauce onto these guys. I like to use my Sweet Baby Ray's because Sweet Baby Ray's is the bomb. But anywho, I'm just listen, Linda, what happened was I had one of those little barbecue brushes and I thought I still had it. Yes, how may I help you?
Did you just say Linda?
Yes. Not your friend Linda, but just them Linda. You know what I mean?
And
anyways,
also there's no more.
Alright, that's fine.
I just stack of these.
So I'm just brushing it on with my wooden spoon here because my kids took my little barbecue brush to sword fight. So that's what happened. And I forgot that happened and we're here now. So anyways, so we're going to put these guys into, I mean, it'd be much better if you could really slather on the barbecue sauce really nicely. I'm actually going to put more, whatever, be generous. Who cares, right? It's barbecue, guys. It's barbecue. But I am going to put some more barbecue sauce halfway through. I'm actually going to put these in my air fryer at 400 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes. And I'm going to flip them halfway through. But if you're making these guys in the conventional oven, you're going to put these for 30 minutes. So it's going to be double the time, 30 to like 33, 34 minutes. Double the time. The air fryer always gets done in half the time. So these are going in. And like I said, I'm going to actually flip them around and put some more barbecue sauce all over them halfway through, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're back and our kebabs are done, and I'm so excited because they look so good and they smell so good too. So excited. But first, before I taste test our kebabs, I wanted to have Mia try the nugs that we just got. So yeah, let's have her give it a go. That way you guys will know if it's kid approved. I'm not the biggest fan of mock meats, so whenever there's like mock meats, I have the kids try it out. Yeah, go ahead, give it a try. I'll give it a little try too. Oh,
It looks like real chicken inside.
that does taste good. That's actually really good. The texture looks like kind of like a McDonald's nugget, from what I remember.
It's
Yeah.
your turn.
Yeah, how do you like the nugget?
Wait.
It's good. And even it kind of even has the little shape of a McDonald's nugget, so if that's what they were going for, they definitely got it. It tastes really good. For someone who doesn't even like mock meats, I would like to dip it in some barbecue sauce. So yeah, I love it. I love it. Mia really likes this. She's gonna keep eating that. I'm sure when Jaden gets home, he's gonna love it too. So thank you guys from Nugs. We definitely like these. We're enjoying them. I'll put their info down below so you guys can check them out. And now I'm gonna try out our vegan kebabs. And I've been eyeing this one because it has like pepper on the top. Oh my goodness. Here we go.
It's so good.
Wow.
Mmm.
If you guys make these, you are gonna be so happy. You're not gonna be disappointed. So don't miss out this summer, this spring, during barbecue grilling season, because these guys right here, you guys are gonna love them. Okay, so try them out. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram using the hashtag Veggie Fam. For a second I forgot what it was. Hashtag Veggie Fam. If you make these or any other recipes, I would love to know what you made. I would love to see what you think about it. I would love to know what you think about it. So anywho, yeah, I'm gonna continue to eat these because these are so very yummy. So I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.